News at 4.
War between Israel and Hamas began. Hate incidents against Muslims have been increasing in America. One Louisville mosque spent today trying to fight the hate with peace and education. Al-Nur hosted an open house to educate people on Islamophobia and teach people of other faiths the truth about their religion. The Council on American Islamic Relations reported a nearly 200% increase in complaints since the war started. Earlier this week, we talked with the director of GainPeace, the group that put on the presentation, about why they wanted to do this.
There are so many misconceptions people have about Islam.
Right.
So we are going to give a lot of time for people to ask questions as they come in about Sharia and jihad and what is going on in Palestine. People think that, Muslims and Jews hate each other, eternal war. That's not the case.
Every person who went got a copy of the Quran, some other reading material on Islam, and a pamphlet on the ways that both the Jewish and Muslim people have worked together in the past.